Chrysanthemums are some of our showiest fall blooming plants. And to ensure that you'll have a nice showy display on your chrysanthemums, there are a few tasks that you can do throughout the year, even as late as the 1st of July, to help them have more flowers. And I'm talking about pinching back the growing points of the plant. And you can just come in and pinch these off. And you can do this periodically throughout the year, but you'll want to stop around the 1st of July and let the plants develop some photosynthetates and let them gear up for the fall. Now, even if the plants have flower buds on them right now, it's still a good idea to take those off because they will actually weaken the plant and it won't have as good a show in the fall. Now, apical dominance is an influence that the terminal bud has over the buds along the stem. If you look along the stem here, you see like this little shoot and this little shoot. Well, those are held in check and they don't start to break or grow unless the top portion is removed. So once that's removed, that hormone that keeps those from growing is no longer produced, and then those break and they start elongating, and this will create more flowers on the plant. Now, florist mums, like you would get at a flower shop, that flower at different times of the year because they've usually been forced with a black cloth, especially need to be pinched back because they're not really adapted for landscape or garden use, so they tend to get leggy. So it's really important to keep those cut back. Now, if you have a large mass of mums in your garden and you think it may take forever to be out there pinching the tips back, you can just shear them with a pair of garden shears. So we're just gonna come in and cut off the top of this mum. And as a general rule, you don't really want to remove more than 1/3 of the plant. And you can also do this to any of your garden asters, also fall blooming plants. Keep your mums well watered throughout the heat of the summer and during any dry spells. And if you notice the plants beginning to look pale or turning light green, give them an application of water-soluble fertilizer to take care of that problem. And remember, pinch them up until the 1st of July, then leave them alone. Let them gear up for that fall display.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.